Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 5x5 wig from Supernova Hair. So this is a loose deep wave, so I'm going to show you how I install the wig, how I define the curls, and yeah, pretty much basically. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about the hair and you want to see how I install the wig and also how I define the curls, then make sure you stay tuned, carry on watching, and I'm going to make sure to leave all the details that you guys need to know down below. So please make sure you check the description box, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Today I'm just going to be installing this wig for you guys and showing you how you can make it look obviously natural. So the first one I'm going to use is this airbrush tan. I'm just going to spray that all over the cap. So that just basically saves you from having to apply your foundation or makeup or having to tint the lace. So now I'm just going to put this on my head. Going for a middle parting today. You guys can see like the spray really does work. So I think maybe even for my frontals I might start doing this now. It comes with a natural hairline as well, by the way, so you don't really have to pluck it, which is amazing. So now I'm going to use my hot comb and just make my parting really flat. I'm going to use my wax stick and just use this to get rid of the flyaways because there's so many. So now I'm gonna grab my olive oil spray. I don't know guys, but I just really love the spray. I've got the gel as well, but I just prefer the spray because it's just easy to use and it's pretty strong as well, so why not? Okay, so now that I'm done gluing down the wig, not that you really have to because it's actually a 5x5 wig, which is basically a closure wig, but you can get the mini frontal effects if you want. So now I'm just gonna spray the hair. This is the hair in its natural state. I did wash the hair after I bleached the knots, so I don't want it like super wet. I just want it a bit damp. Oh my god guys, I absolutely love this wave pattern. Do you see how this is looking? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take so this is the Cantu curling cream, guys. I love this product. So anytime I'm wearing a curly wig or a wavy wig, this is what I put in my hair, and it just really helps to define the curls a lot more, and it just makes them stand out literally. So I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. And this is literally just going to help to define the curls a lot more. The next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to grab my paddle brush and I'm just going to brush through my hair. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave the hair to air dry on its own, and then I'm going to come back to show you guys what it looks like once it's dried. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like once it's dried, and I just love how fluffy this hair is. Like, it's so lush guys, I'm not even going to lie. The curls are really nice, the curl pattern's so nice, and the hair is just really fluffy. So even though I added that Cantu cream thing on my hair, it's not stiff. The hair is still very fluffy, literally feels how it would feel when you just wash the hair, but obviously the curls are a lot more defined, as you guys can see. So that is literally what I do every time I have a curly wig or a wavy wig. This is literally what I do. So yeah, so when it comes to the hair, I got the hair in 24 inches, and this is meant to be 250 density. Now guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this hair does not feel like it is 250 density because it's meant to be a lot fuller than this. The only thing is obviously because it's a wavy wig, it will get bigger as time goes on. So with that you can kind of get away with it, whether it's 250, 180, whatever density it is. Because it's a wavy unit, it will get bigger, and especially as you run your fingers through it as well, the more you do that, the bigger it's going to get. So That's the only thing that I have to say. But apart from that, I really like this hair. I really love it, like, and very affordable as well, because I did check on their website to see how much it is, and it's actually pretty affordable. So you're getting a nice wig that's 24 inches and 250 density for a very reasonable price. But yeah, so like I said, this hair is from Supernova Hair, and this is their loose deep wave wig unit, and it's a 5x5 closure, so you can go for like that mini frontal effect if you want, or you can just have it as a normal closure wig basically. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to make sure to leave all the links that you guys need to know down below. Please make sure you check the description box for everything you need to know, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.